Hello! Today it's a second part of our lesson about our appearance. So last time we talked about eyes, remember, and hair, but it's not enough to describe person. And today I want to speak about face, how you can describe the face, your face or your friend or someone who you want to describe, and nose and lips. So I think it's everything what I want to say. But if you have some ideas, if you need some question some answers, you have any question, you can ask me, and of course I will be happy to answer. So let's start from face. Okay, I have my Russian friend today he's just showing his face because we are talking about just this part. So, and face, it means лицо, and для того, чтобы описать человека, to describe some person, you need to know how to say about face, how to describe the person, and nose, губы, lips. So nose, nose, губы, lips, and face. Okay, let's start from the face, this part. Okay, my friend has round face, right? Round, it means круглая. I don't have round face, okay, but my friend has. So if you have a round face, remember, if you want to say it about in Russian about yourself, you should say я имею. Okay, better to say у меня. У меня круглое лицо. Лицо, it means face. Лицо. Круглое, it means round, круглое лицо. У меня, I have, let's say, у меня круглое лицо. Круглое лицо. Can be fat, right? Or can be thin. Thin, I should say about my face, maybe thin, because I'm around 50 kilos I have, and my face is thin. So thin, it means худое лицо. У меня худое лицо. У меня, it means I have. У меня, wait, I will show you. У меня. Maybe у меня. У меня. У меня круглое лицо. Лицо, face. Худое, вот, худое лицо. It means thin. Okay, round and thin. Круглое or худое. I can say about myself just I'm thin, right? Я худая. But if you're a man, you should say я худой. Худой, it means thin, you know, not fat. So худой. And your face can be also худое лицо. So if I have my cheeks, it means I have щеки, means one, first one, щека, another щека, but both I could say щеки, cheek, щека, it's one, cheeks, щеки, E here, not A. Okay. Okay, chin, подбородок, chin. I can have some big one, большой, or small, маленький. I told you at the previous lesson about маленький, большой. Большой means big, big, большой. But small, маленький, маленький. So about chin, about nose, about eyes, lips, whatever, you can say маленький or большой, right? Small or big. So, подбородок, chin, chin, so short word, but in Russian, под, бо, ро, док. Подбородок, 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 подбородок. Под, бо, ро, док. Подбородок, подбородок. It means chin. Okay. Next, close to the chin can be ухо. Big or small. It depends. I have not so big, you know. Small. My ears are small. So, уши. If I'm talking about two, уши. Мои уши. Мои уши. My ears. But about one, my right ear, мое правое ухо, ухо, ухо. So, you can say ухо, but when you pronounce it, it's like а at the end. Like а. You know? Ухо, ухо, а. But not like ucha. Don't pronounce it like ah at the end, like so. Don't put stress or all efforts to pronounce it ah at the end, you know. You should редуцировать, like in Russian we can say, just pronounce it like so softer, you know, or so not so strong. Ухо. But when you are spelling it, you should know, pay attention, you have to say ухо. Ухо at the end. Ухо. So, all girls crazy about eyelashes, you know. I have long eyelashes, but I don't like it, by the way, because it's sometimes not comfortable, especially when I wear my glasses. But some girls crazy about long eyelashes, and if you're you have to say that to her, don't put too much mascara here, you know, or don't do it too much, or you have to tell her, oh my god, you have amazing eyelashes. Okay, anyway, you need this word. Eyelashes in Russians means ресницы. Ресницы. Long eyelashes. Длинные ресницы. Длинные. Длинные. Ресницы. 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 Of course, so important, it's eyebrows, right? Eyebrows. In Russia, so rare to find a girl with her nice, natural, good eyebrows. So all girls do it something with eyebrows. But it depends, you know, maybe you don't like it, maybe you like it. So it doesn't matter. Just I want to focus on this topic, you know, just to memorize, to help you to memorize this word. Eyebrows means брови, брови. So, брови, it means eyebrows. Eyelashes, ресницы. Ресницы or брови. Okay, брови, it means eyebrows, it's so important. Why? Let's tell you. If my Russian friend has our eyebrows like that, you can see how he's a strong person and so angry at you, right? If you will show that his eyebrows like that, it means he's so kind person. So it depends where your eyebrows, you will see what is a person. So eyebrows, брови, it's so important, I guess. So брови, ресницы, брови, ухо, if one, left to right, уши, if two, подбородок, so long word, but I think it's so easy to memorize it because if it's long and difficult, your memory focus on it. Подбородок, подбородок, chin. So next, щека, cheek, щека, худое, if we are talking about лицо, if it's a thing, or round face, it's a круглое лицо, круглое. So, and before talking about all of this, you should say у меня. It means I have. So, next part. We are talking about nose. And always my operator told me, oh my God, just your nose on camera. Why you're not focused on it? Okay, have a long. Maybe it's not too big, but why my operator always told me? Okay, maybe if you want to describe my nose, you should say Violetta's nose is so long. I don't know, maybe. My nose, мой нос, длинный. And I am so interested, and I'm put, like we say in Russian language, we say, why you put this nose everywhere? Because you have a long nose. It means you're interested about everything, you know. It means you are smart, not like a person who doesn't care. So, длинный нос, длинный, у меня, again, у меня длинный нос, длинный. Do you see? At this part N at the end, and this part starting from the end, and that's why you have two N there, double N, and when you pronounce it, you can feel it. Длинный, you see? You like stuck here at the N. Why? Because two N there. Double N. Длинный nose. Длинный нос. Нос. Next one. You can say small or big, right? So, маленький. Маленький, it means small. Маленький. You can say, oh my God, you're so small. Маленький. Like about baby or someone. Oh my God, you're so small. Oh, ты самый маленький. Какой ты маленький. It's like for baby you can say, oh my God, you're a baby. But about nose, oh my God, you have so small nose. It's so cute. Маленький нос. Маленький нос. Oh, you have a big nose. Maybe you're a man. It's good. Maybe to feel everything around. When someone can make some borscht or soup or meat or something, you can feel it everything around you to not miss the breakfast or dinner. Большой нос. Big one. Большой нос, большой нос. So, can be длинный, маленький, большой, right? So, any nose, it's awesome because it's you, it's your individual like appearance, you know. About lips, okay, nice. It's especially girls love it. So, губы, lips, right? Губа, one. Верхняя, it means this up and down. Губа, if one. Can be thin lips. Can be thin. Тонкие губы. Тонкие. Or big. Большие губы. Or can be full, like, you know, puffy. So, пухлые губы. I don't know, maybe you can say about my lips something. Maybe I have тонкие, maybe full lips, maybe big one, maybe too much, maybe not. It depends, you know. Appearance, it's like someone not. It's about taste, you know. So let's repeat. Длинный, long nose, длинный нос. У меня длинный нос. I have a long nose. У меня маленький нос. У него, it means he has. У него маленький нос. He's a baby, he has a small nose. У него большой нос. He has a big nose. Because he's a man, he has a big one. У меня большой нос. У меня. If I say у меня, I have. Губы, lips. У меня маленькие губы. I can say that also. Маленькие губы, маленький нос, маленькие глаза. Small eyes, small nose, small lips. Маленькие глаза, маленький нос, маленькие губы. Lips. And face, круглое, remember round, thin, худое, щека, one, another one, щека, means chin, щеки, if we are talking about both, подбородок, chin, ухо, ear, уши, if we are talking about two, right, left, правое, левое. I think it's everything for today. If you have any questions, ask me. So see you next time.